You know, sometimes it can be easy to forget that you live in a world of truly infinite abundance. Like, in the most practical ways ever. At nighttime, you look outside at those big, beautiful, shiny stars and you ask, how long do they go for? Forever. They're infinite. Well, this universe is for constant expansion in ends lost in infinity. Constant expansion that continues to expand. And you are a part of that universe, and that means that your financial life is governed by the same laws. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the number one shocking signs from the universe that money is on the way, that you are going to become successful, that you are going to bring more money and more financial abundance in your life, in a shocking and unexpected sign. Now, this is very important to be able to read the signs from the universe because they can reveal to you a lot of great financial opportunity and a surplus of money that comes to you quickly. So in this video, we're going to talk about that. So make sure you hit the like button right over there on the side. Today is a great day to be alive, and let's dive right into this video. So the number one truly shocking and paradoxical sign that you will attract money is kind of interesting, because what happens is we don't realize that our life, including our finances, is governed by a subconscious system. Sub means below, so this is below conscious. So consciously you say, I want to be in this business. This is a great financial opportunity. I'm going to do this thing. Oh, I'm going to do this thing. I'm going to go to school. I'm going to do this thing. Here's my strategy. Here's my resources. Oh, everyone says this is a great business to get into. And we're looking at things consciously and rationally. Psychologists tell us that's only responsible for 5% of our life. Your conscious mind, your rational thinking, is only responsible for 5% of your life. Your rational, conscious actions and behaviors are only responsible for 5% of the money that comes into your life. Well, 95% of it is subconscious, and sub means below. Now, a lot of times we struggle financially, and it can get very, 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 very frustrating. Or maybe you're just so used to not having it, or you wish you didn't have to deal with it. Well, what occurs is people hit a point where they realize they desperately need or desire more money, but they do it begrudgingly. They look at it like a necessary evil. Oh, it's just necessary evil. Or they look at it like through the lens of the subconscious conditioning they received. Maybe they grew up in a religion or household that said money is the root of all evil, and God won't love you, you'll go to hell if you have it. Maybe they grew up or they currently believe in the finite pie philosophy, which is there's a finite amount of money, resources, and abundance out there, and if you get it, you're taking away from somebody else. Some kid in Africa, some person in India, some person in your town, some kid that doesn't have any money. If you become successful, or you have a nice house, or you have a nice car, you're somehow actually enabling a world where poverty exists, which nothing could be further from the truth. At the start of this video, we talked about the infinite nature of the universe. There is no finite amount of things. And your abundance and your freedom doesn't mean somebody else's lack of it. But we adopt these ideas, so subconsciously, we begrudgingly decide we want money. I'm gonna manifest it. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna do this business, Amazon thing this, and this online thing, and this is the great new gold rush, and do this. And we have great ideas, or there's so many great avenues to earn money quickly and fluidly and on your own terms, but the problem is we do it begrudgingly for whatever the reason might be. Now, the number one sign that money is coming into your life is that you embrace that desire. You wholeheartedly actually love money. Because what most people do is they actually don't love it, but they really want it. Can you imagine if you were in a romantic partnership and they said that you were a necessary evil? Romance is a necessary evil, so I just kind of gotta suck it up and deal with you. Can you imagine if we did that in a relationship like that? Well, you have a relationship with money subconsciously the same way. how would you ever, even if you worked 14 hours a day and you had the best business model in the world and you had all the resources and ideas and all that type of crap, even if you did that, but then subconsciously you thought money was the root of all evil, or God wouldn't love you, or that you're a greedy person, or you're a bad person, or more money is more problems, and if you have more money it's going to be more of a headache, and your life will be more complex, and you'll have less freedom in life. We all have our own ideas of why money is quote unquote bad. It's just not true. And if you say, I need to figure this out, but you begrudgingly don't want it because you wish you live in a world where you didn't have to deal with it, which is what people say, I wish we didn't have to deal with money. And when you do that, what you're really saying is, I can't be a person that can attract a lot of money. I can't be that person, but I'm hoping one day it'll magically change. But what you're doing is you're subconsciously saying, I don't want this, I don't need this, or I can't acquire this. Or if I do acquire this, something bad will happen. I'll lose it all, God will judge me, I'll go to hell, other people won't like me, I'll take away from a kid in Africa, I'll be a greedy person, I'll be contributing to the bad things. The list goes on. If I tell someone about it, someone will try to take advantage of me or steal me, and we have all these ideas. So we consciously work hard, but subconsciously we're doing it begrudgingly. You have to start embracing and loving money. All money is energy, and you live in a universe of constant expansion, of fuller expression. So what I'm inviting you to do is say to yourself, I love money, and it comes when I call it. I love money. I love money. I love financial abundance. I'm so grateful for any level of financial abundance I've had. Things used to not be the way that I wanted, but now I'm so grateful because I have electricity and this phone to watch this on and this computer. And you just start where you are to get into a consciousness of abundance. And when you start to do that, you start to actually become a magnet for money. You're able to receive it. See, a lot of people get opportunities, but they can't receive it. They perform some great service or have some great product, and you're just introducing it to people, to the marketplace and promoting it. And your friend says, well, how much do I owe you? Well, this is normally $100, but for you, it's $5? No, do you have any quarters? If you have any quarters, just give me the quarter. I'll give you a discount today. And we're afraid to receive it because subconsciously we begrudgingly are in a relationship with it. Get rid of the begrudgingly part. You are in a beautiful, prosperous, ever-increasing relationship with money. You can do more good. You can stimulate the economy. You can employ new people. You can help friends and family. You can donate to charities, churches, movements, social causes, ideas, political ideas, businesses. You can do whatever you want with it. You can improve the world, and you can also be an example of what it means to be an honest, loving, wealthy person, which is going to inspire everybody else too. So what I'm inviting you to start saying is, I love money. It comes when I call. Comment that down below. I love money. It comes when I call. Comment that down below. I love money. It comes when I call. And start making up affirmations with the word I love money. So say, I love money. It comes when I call. I love money. It comes to me in ever-increasing abundance. I love money. God's wealth flows to me in avalanches of abundance. And just as sure as the sun comes up in the morning, financial abundance comes to me with the same expectancy and consistency. Just like the sun comes up, I know for certain that money is coming. Just like the sun is rising, my bank account is rising. I'm feeling prosperity grow into my life each and every day. When you start to do that, you've now wholeheartedly embraced the desire. You've wholeheartedly respected and embraced and created a state of receiving wealth. You're in a place of being open to receiving prosperity, abundance, excellence, great opportunities, good fortune, new sales, unexpected ease. And when that happens, it's the surest sign that money is coming into your life quickly and fast. So what I'm inviting you to do is start to embrace this beautiful desire. So comment down below, I love money. It comes to me quickly. Comment down below, I love money. It comes to me quickly. And start using your affirmation to start retraining your subconscious mind to see money is a beautiful thing and you are somebody that is worthy of receiving it. You are able to accumulate it. If you don't have the resources, you will attract them. The perfect people will come into your life. You love money. It comes when it calls because you recognize that you live in an infinite world and that this creator of the universe wants you to experience all the good things in life. Like, don't you think if it created first class flights, it wants you to be able to fly first class and experience it, or go to that beautiful island, or live in that gorgeous mountain home and hear the beautiful sounds of the screeching hawks at nighttime, or the beautiful bluebirds singing in the morning? Don't you think it wants you to be able to retire your friend, your family, your mother? Don't you think it wants you to be able to build that great idea and change the world in that way that helps children? It wants you to have the money to have your dream car. But you have to embrace it. And when you do, opportunities work out and come to you quickly and easily because you're subconsciously able to receive them. So make sure you hit the like button on this video right over there. That's what sends this out into the YouTube universe so more people see it. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button right over there and it'll send it out into the YouTube universe so more people see it. I truly believe when our relationship with money changes, that we, the people, will start to really change the world and make this a more friendly, beautiful, and compassionate place to live. So make sure you hit the like button right over there. And right there down below is the second mind. I actually created a software to start retraining my brain because neuroplasticity shows us that our brain actually memorizes all of its old belief systems and emotions, and then it recreates that reality. So your brain is programmed to operate at a certain level of reality. Financially speaking especially. So if we believed all those silly ideas, they're ingrained in our brain. Neuroplasticity shows us we can rewire them. So I created the second mind to be an actual tool for me to reprogram my brain. I call the first mind the one society has programmed. For all our mediocrity, for all those limiting beliefs we talked about, society has programmed them into you. And I call that your first mind. Your second mind is the one where you've consciously programmed yourself for financial abundance, for success, for happiness, for positivity, for great people. You've programmed your brain to become a magnet for abundance and success, consciously using neuroplasticity. So I made this for myself. Now over 100,000 people from all over the world have used it. It's free to demo. It's right there down below, pinned to the comments. It's thesecondmind.com. It's right there down below, pinned to the comments. You can go ahead and you can demo that for free to turn your brain into a magnet for financial success and for good fortune. It's right there down below, thesecondmind.com, pinned to the comments, and you can use a free demo. Thanks for watching this video all the way through. I truly and sincerely appreciate it. Today's an absolutely great day to be alive on planet Earth, spinning through a little rock in endless space. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, by the way, if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and bell notification. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. So even if you already subscribed, just double check, have I hit the bell notification? You can do that right over there on the side. Have an absolutely fantastic day. Financial success, good fortune, good luck, great new opportunities are coming into your life. There is great news on the way. Make sure you say to yourself right now, I love money. It comes to me when I call. I love money. Large sums of it come to me quickly and easily. I love money. I live in a friendly universe. I love money. I live in an infinite universe full of awesome possibilities, and I continue to attract greater and greater and greater and greater ones into my life every single day.